Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C21Y, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, hold power key and volume down, and there we go, there is your screenshot. Now once you capture it, you have two options, share or edit, and when you don't do anything with it, it just disappears after a moment, as you just seen. Now the screenshot that you have captured, or all of them that you capture over the time, can be found in your photo application. Now right now I only have one photo right here, so it just shows it to me automatically, but normally you will see right at the top albums and I think photos. So you want to navigate to the album category, and in there you will find the screenshot folder, as you can see. But because I only have this, it automatically allows me to just navigate to it. As you can see, there is the screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.